Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook cannot send friend request. It looks like you may not know this person. If you're using Facebook and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add anyone as your own friend or try to send friend request to anyone, you see an error that you Facebook cannot send request to that person. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection, or you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for settings, go for general, go for VPN advice management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you just have to go to App Store or Play Store and just try to update your Facebook app. So if there will be any issue with your network or with your Facebook app, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, you just have to simply reopen your Facebook app and retry to add anyone as your own friend, and let's say it's fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go to the menu option in the bottom right, tap on your account name to open your profile page. Now on your profile, just tap on the three dots under your profile, and here just select the profile status option here, and you have to check if there's any restrictions on your profile. If you see here green tick mark, so it means that you haven't any restrictions on your account. Or if you find here red cross, so it means that your account is being restricted, you are unable to send requests to anyone. So once you have done, you just have to retry it to add anyone as your own friend. Or if you're still facing the same issue, just tap on the menu option again, then tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, scroll down, and just look for audio and the audience and the visibility option. Select how people can find you, and here just select who can send you friend requests. Select that, and you have to select everyone from here, then tap on the save option. Now just go back and you have to retry if it's fixed your issue or not. If you're still facing the same issue, so that's the only way, just scroll down or go to the menu option again. Now in menu you just have to scroll down, and here you'll get the option of report a problem. So just select help and support, and then select report a problem here. Now select continue to report, then select include. Now on this page just select friend request, and you just have to try to describe your issue. You have to describe that you're unable to send friend requests, or Facebook said that friend requests cannot be added and you cannot know this person or something like that. Once you have done, you can also try to add screenshot or upload any screenshot from your phone. And once you have done, just tap on the send option in the top right, and it will send a report to Facebook's support team, and Facebook will fix it in up to 24 hours and your issue will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix your Facebook friend request issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.